Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. Today you are going to learn 10 IntelliJ IDEA shortcuts Java developers should know. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I talked about microservices and their pros and cons? If you are new here, I am Hasan and I post Java tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. Watch this video till the end because I am going to give you a bonus, so don't miss it and watch till the end. If you have any questions, comment down on this video. Let's start today's lesson. IntelliJ IDEA is a powerful and more popular Java development environment that offers a wide range of features and functionality to help you write, debug and deploy Java code. However, with so many features and options, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why in this video, I'll be sharing the top 10 shortcuts that every Java programmer should know to help you become more productive and efficient when using IntelliJ IDEA. Code completion. This shortcut will bring up a list of suggestions for completing your code. Smart code completion. This shortcut will bring up more advanced code completion suggestions, taking into account the context of your code. Show parameter hints. This shortcut will show you the parameters of a method or function. Show quick documentation. This shortcut will show you the documentation for the current symbol, class or method. Search for a class. This shortcut allows you to quickly search for and navigate to a specific class. Guys, if you have any questions, comment down on this video to get your questions answered. Search for a file. Like the previous shortcut, this allows you to quickly search for and to navigate to a specific file. Search for symbols. This shortcut allows you to search for a specific symbol such as a method or variable across your entire project. Navigate to a specific line. This shortcut allows you to quickly navigate to a specific line of code. Find and replace. This shortcut allows you to quickly find and replace text across your entire project. Run the current file. This shortcut allows you to quickly run the current file without having to navigate through the menu. With practice and experience, you will find that using shortcuts can greatly increase your productivity and efficiency as a Java programmer. I highly recommend taking some time to explore the different shortcuts and customize them according to your needs. In the next video, I'm going to talk about 5 free courses to learn in Java 2023. So subscribe to the channel now and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will be notified when I publish the video.